Hey guys, so the recording ended last night and I was tired and I wasn't really sure what was going on, so I figured I'd finish this today. So as we see, Austin has pushed back up. Austin and Alex, I should say, not just Austin, but Austin and Alex have pushed back up. On the other side, Larry has pushed back up. We see Joel and Taylor are hanging on. Joel's been semi-cleared out of in here. Meanwhile, they're coming in at me, and I'm doing my best. So let's see what happens. Boom. Here we go. So the fight continues. We see that Austin has built a forward castle. Good for him. Can't judge him on that one. We see Taylor and Joel are pushing on this side. Meanwhile, on the other side, they're holding. And the fight continues. I've sent troops over this way, it looks like, which was pretty rare in this game. Seems like I didn't do a lot of that. I'm building forward castles to save the day. Oh, so we're pushing back. This fight was, although Spencer would call this a boring fight because it's all, it all happens within like right in here, the whole game. I felt like it was a really good game. But, it's all about what kind of strategy you like. That castle is inches from out of range of these bomber cannons. It drove Larry nuts. Oh. But we're going, so now we push them back. This was a big changing point in the game, actually. This is when Taylor shows up on the other side. We're just like, protect Taylor. The other side, Larry's still just going. Alex is, I don't know what Alex is doing there. We got Joel and Taylor just going. Surprised that Taylor didn't build some stuff up here just to get those troops up faster. But regardless, here we go. We are now into Alex. And I think that I'm going to just just plunge these guys. Yep. Plunging. I should have just stopped them right here. But, oh, I do. Good. Good job, Tanner. Good work. Pip, telly home. And here we go. Bringing more troops up. They're fighting for that. Meanwhile, see here. We've got a couple troops in the trade, but not a ton. Looks like Alex is taking care of business over there. And Larry's holding pretty well. Taylor just doing his best to maintain, trying to keep these guys alive. But it looks like Alex is going to get those siege. But it's opened up over here. This is an open space now, so that should change the way that troops go. So yeah, I'm going to plunge again. It'd be funny because Alex had brought his troops up, but he turns him around. Alex didn't build enough houses. He could have gone up to 310. He has another 3 villagers that he could have done. And they're pushing back. We see Joel's over here, Taylor's over here, everyone's over here. On the other side, Larry lost his forward castle. He's bringing his bajillion of villagers up. And they're like, we need to wall this off and get them out. Meanwhile, I've got a couple troops back in here. Not many. No, Larry has not started cutting it. I thought maybe he had, but he has not. So they're pushing on this side now. And Joel's doing it. Go, Joel! Go, Joel! Just wrecking. Oh, I love it. I love it, Joel. It's awesome. We're pushing in. Looks like I've plunged another group of guys, but they're gonna die as well. Plunging, but Alex has troops right here, so see what happens. I think I'm trying to go at the trade as much as I can. Yeah, those guys die. Quick deaths. Now Larry's like, okay, we've got to change the narrative. So Larry's going to change the narrative over here. He's going to start cutting through. He goes to right there. Quick cut. That's a nice cut, man. You don't have to like dig forever. You know what? Let's see what Larry sees. Hunt. Fog of War. So Larry's just seeing that he's got this opening here. And he's like, oh yeah, I can build a bunch of stuff in here. And that's what he should do, but I don't think he's going to. Well, on the other side, we've got troops in trade. Larry's in survival mode. And he's going. Boom. Walks in, and Joel's ready for him. Way to go, Joel. So he's going in to attack Joel, but the button's been clicked, and those guys are going to die quickly. I'm going to turn off the Fog of War. While on this other side, we've got all of these troops going. Alex is crumbling at this point. Like, the food's there, the resources are there. But you see Larry's kind of turned. We've got Taylor over here, and there's just a billion troops going everywhere. On the other side, this is Alex. So Alex has started to cut. Holy cow, that's like right there. This is what's going to end this game, is this. Even though it looks like the game is over. The other side, Larry's starting to prep. Joel is walled off a few times. Taylor's got a bunch of troops over there. And he's going in. This is where he's throwing troops at. I was wondering where they were coming from. Things are coming out. The side is falling. Meanwhile, Alex is in. And it's just all wide open spaces. Talk about a great spot to have troops in. And he's going to just go. We're fighting, pretty well, really. And Austin's got all of this over here. And now Austin's got all of this over here. Looks like Larry's in. So somehow Larry got troops in. Now they're going to just eat my whole civ. And I have nothing there. And they're going to push forward. And that's going to be game. But we haven't given up the ghost yet, but all this red is going to just eat up all of this. Pushing them forward. And so I drop. Me and Taylor drop. Joel's going to keep playing, but this is when the game's over. So, GG, holy cow, I was positive that me, Taylor, and Joel had this game won. But no, with some sly moves and a quick cut around, that was game. We should have. I was building a defense back here to try and fight, but it was just too little too late. I'd lost all of my food. Which, look at all that food. That's a lot of freaking food, guys. I was very proud of that. But either way, GG, pip pip, well done. Until next time, I'm going to